of the National Retail Conference and Expo. I'm Raf Layosa, and I couldn't be more thrilled to host this exciting event because today we're not just opening an exhibition, but also we are celebrating 30 remarkable years of retail solutions and suppliers exhibition show in the country. Let's make this momentous occasion one to remember. Today, we come together not only to reflect on our achievements and the impact we've made in the industry. Retail Solutions Asia is designed to be a community-driven space that brings together those from retail solutions, e-commerce, mobile payments, financial technology solutions, point of sale, advertising technology, shop fittings and store designs, consultancy services, and more. The tagline, Retail Today, Empowering Tomorrow, guides us to shape and inspire the future of retail. Let's continue our journey of empowering a brighter future. Before we proceed with our program, I'm delighted to call on stage a man who is deeply respected in our community and a cornerstone of our industry. Please join me in welcoming none other than Mr. Roberto Claudio, the President of Philippine Retailers Association and the Chairman of Forum International Inc., to give his opening message. Sir.